No more ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. This AI tool can 10 times your productivity by turning your ideas into podcasts, notes, articles, into documents, slides, presentation. Also do the research for you. Hey guys, I'm Hansa from Android Ultra. I hope you find new to my channel. Subscribe to appreciate. Skywork AI agents much powerful than you imagine. In Skywork left sidebar we have all the workflow what we have did in so far. On the top right side we have the API QR code to download the app. Skywork available on both web and the mobile. We have the notifications, credits, and when you click on the profile image all the information available. Now comes to Skywork AI agents. Alongside the web search button, we have an option to turn on R1V4 model for better image understanding. Underneath that, we have MCP tools. You can connect whatever you want for uploading files, data for better in-depth analysis. We have the general model. This will automatically detect your prompt and choose the right agent. We have the document agent, slides, sheets, AI developer, podcast, UI. And the last we have the professional data. My favorite one is the podcast and the AI developer. Other AI agents also really useful, especially the slides and the sheets one. In the UI, you can upload the link. It will be from the YouTube. Definitely. In the professional data, here is the research based data available. You can select according to your prompt. This is the proper research data. This will really helpful. Now let me show you how you can make your life much easier and productive. I chose the general model and type the prompt best video enhancers of all time, which will be in detail downloadable in the form of PDF, and also I can post on the blog. So right now you can see here it will ask you for a fast and deep mode. You can choose according to your preference. Deep is preferred for better outcomes and the in-depth results. Then it will show you the professional data according to your prompt. This will take some time, around about 5 to 10 minutes. And then here is our document, detailed document for the blog or the article. Underneath that we have the PDF. As you can see here, this is very detailed. I specifically type the video enhancers because I'm reviewing from the very long time. So this is really close to a professional analysis, not equal of the human being, but much better compared to ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. I put ChatGPT, Gemini to test, and this performed much better in terms of creating documents, PDFs, proper research backed. This is much better detailed and infographic as well. As you can see here, we have right now AI covers available. You can use this tool to turn it into proper interactive graphical PDF content. I specifically put that prompt because of my experience in video enhancer niche. 80 plus videos available, 5 years of experience. You can enhance your low quality videos to 4K, even top as 4K high quality on mobile. I can tell that by looking into that document or the research. This is much better compared to ChatGPT. Everything is editable within the Skywork web view. So right now I'm gonna try slides, which is also another great feature for the business or the presentations. Suppose I'm going to build the vertical scrolling app for social media. So I wanted to look in the YouTube versus Instagram Reels comparison regarding their content, their growth patterns. So it's asking me a few questions according to my preference, how long I want slides or the presentation, the data, what's my particular expectations from the output. It will look into all of the sources and turn it into the proper PDF or the slides, whatever you ask for. So right now you can see here this is much better than any other chat GPT or Gemini again. The overall charts, presentation, animations, each and everything is super smooth. It will save hours of hard work and time for you. So right now what you are looking is much better compared to any other AI tool. It will be able to create proper presentation in no time. So overall my one of favorites is the general one and the podcast. Literally turn your ideas or concept into proper podcast. 20% off with my code first time. Go and check it out and let me know what you think about it. This is the video for today. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.